How can I enable session in MVC.NET Core application? So to check out the video in Hindi, link is in the video description. So you can see that inside the startup.cs file, we have a two important method. First one, which is the configure service, and second one, which is the configure. To add and enable the session variable, you need to write some of the code inside your configuration service method as well as inside the configure method. So for the time saving purpose, I am pasting the code over here. To add the session, you need to write the code add session service dot add session. Inside the time span, you can specify the number of time period like a minute or second or whatever. That will depends on you, right? So in the configure service, you need to add the session, and inside the configure method, you need to specify app dot use session. Without this, you are not able to perform or enable the session in your .NET Core application. Okay, now to set the session variable value in your controllers, I'm for the practical purpose, demo purpose, here I'm creating a one variable, uh, let's say equal to 0 and sorry, equal to 0. Yeah, c equal to 0. Now to set the session variable, we need to use the http context session dot set session, something like this. Here you need to specify your variable name. So variable name, session variable name, and then the value which you are interested to assign to your variable name variable, session variable title. So session variable. This sounds good. Now to access and use this session variable value and assign it to the session variable B, we need to write some of the code like this. Let me just copy and paste this up to this and paste it over here and close this. Now here in line number 27, we have set the session variable. Here we need to write the code for get the session variable value. 32 definitely shows me the typecasting issues, so int, and our issue gets solved. And for the practical purpose, again I'm assigning the variable b value to c. Now let me place the breakpoint over here and run the application, and we'll see that b and c contain 10 or not. So just run it. Yes. So currently you can see that the variable b and c shows me null value. Now if I move my mouse from line number 27 to 28, uh, yes, 27 to 28, still it shows me 0. If I move my cursor from line number 28 to 29, now variable B gets the initial value as a 10, which is set to the session variable name, right? Then if I move my mouse from line number 29 to 30, the C set as a 10. So this is how inside your .NET Core application, you can enable the session variable and set the session variable as well as get the session variable. I hope you like this video, and thank you very much.